Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be taking a break from working on my E91 and instead I will be doing some repair work on my dad's Volvo V40. It's a 2013 V40 cross country and it requires both front shock absorbers replacing because they have leaked out. The guy's on 120,000 miles, so you know they can do with being replaced. We have purchased the parts a few months ago and they have been in the boot of my car for a while, and now I've got round to actually sorting it out, so that's the job for today. Hopefully it will not take too long, although I'm not sure I'm going to film much. I think it's going to be just a time lapse. So what I'm going to do is pack the tools that I think I need and head over to my parents' house. Okay, so everything is in the car that I think I need. We shall find out whether I've got everything when I do the job. And I shall head over to my parents' house and start replacing the shock absorbers. It says first, so see you soon.